black beauty right here. 2000 Cadillac Eldorado ETC. Clean Carfax, no accidents, confirmed miles, just a little over 57,000 on this one is all. Sold a few of these in the past, but boy, we just don't see them as often anymore. Definitely getting further and further in between. We take a look at the blacked out grille, front fascia. You can see that paint has a nice shine to it. It's black, it's been driven a little bit. You're gonna come across a few spots where it has a little bit of touch up on it. But overall, considering the age and miles, this car shows well. 4.6 liter, dual overhead cam, V8 underneath the hood, automatic transmission with overdrive. This vehicle will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 507-386-1726 is the number you can call. You can check out all the still pictures, over 100 still pictures of this vehicle online, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. Riding on the correct Cadillac chrome wheels. And you can see up and down the passenger side of this car, it is not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Left the side windows up. I want to let you know they are tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as with your percentage of window tint that is legal. This particular one does have the power sunroof. A lot of recent service work done to this and also in the past. And I'm going to hit on that towards the end of this video yet. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Coming around to the rear of the car, of course, dual exhaust. One of the recent things that was replaced was on the trunk where they have that pull-down assembly. That was recently replaced. Look at the reflection coming off that deck lid or trunk lid. Now, previous owner of this vehicle, let me go through some of these things. He had it for the last, I think it was 10, 12 years. And AC compressor was just recently done. AC gone through, AC blows cold. That was done in 2023. Oil was actually changed 100 miles or so ago. Other things that were done, brake lines, brake fluid flushed in 2021, fuel pump replaced, intake manifold gasket replaced, water pump. And also recently, and this is a nice maintenance item to have done on one of these cars, timing chain, tensioner and guides, gaskets, O2 sensor. Tranny fluid has also been flushed on this one in the past, as well as valve cover gasket was replaced. So nice maintenance history on this car. And as you can see, driver's side, here's a touch-up spot, I guess. You can kind of see that. So, I mean, there's, again, a few little small touch-up spots, but that's in a black car that is 23 years old. This thing shows very well for miles and age. And again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Of course, all the modern amenities that you're going to have on a loaded up Eldorado from 2000. Power windows, power locks, mirrors, memory seating, power seat. And then take a look at this seat. Not much wear on that at all. Again, considering age, you're going to have some of this wrinkling. That's just natural wearing of the hide. But no rips, tears, holes, anything like that. And nice, comfortable leather bucket seats. Of course, tilt and cruise. It also has steering wheel controls for your climate and radio on the other side, if you can kind of see this right here. Those are all intact too, by the way. Sometimes you'll see those broken, all intact in this one. Let's go ahead and fire it up. $57,748. No warning indicators, anything like that on the dash. Let me get the radio on here into a station that will come in. As you can see, radio is working. I'm going to turn this fan down low. Dash looks good. Let's take a little peek up here. Power sunroof functioning as it should. Heated seats also. Alright, check out the wood grain throughout. Very comfortable car. Slip around to the back, also quiet car. Interior sound levels are very low in these Eldos. Let me slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this 1 second. Let me get this hood open and we'll wrap this video up. And here's the engine bay. Again, 4.6 liter. Dual overhead cam engine. Nice, clean, tidy, good looking engine bay. Smooth running. And again, if you have any questions on the service history of it, there's some receipts that will go along with the car. Consult with your sales associate. You can hear the AC compressor kick on and off. AC just gone through. Blows cold. Get in, turn the key. Have some fun with this one. What a luxurious classic. And black on black. 2000 Cadillac Eldorado ETC, clean Carfax. No accidents indicated, confirmed miles. 507-386-1726 phone number. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all the still pictures of this at. Check out the undersides, interior, engine bay. And remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan may be extendable out to 10 years. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2000 Cadillac Eldorado. Very nice looking black on black with wood grain in the dash. 57,746 miles currently on the odometer. Good acceleration as you would expect. This is an automatic on the center console. Our temperature is halfway up the gauge, right in the middle. Fuel gauge reading 3/4. Tachometer is functioning. 55 miles an hour. We're at about 1,800 RPM. The radio works great. Nice, comfortable leather seating in this Cadillac. Let it go with a wheel and she stays perfectly straight. Very smooth ride, no shakes or vibrations. Brakes well. Feels about like a new Cadillac. Corners well. Very nice 2000 Cadillac Eldorado. Check it out at UniqueClassicCars.com.